Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about perimeter. Perimeter is made up of two Greek words. Peri means round, metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. So, perimeter is calculated by adding the lengths of all the sides of a closed plane figure. In this video, we are going to learn to find the perimeter of a triangle, a rectangle, and a square. So let's get started with triangle. So this is triangle here, and we all know in case of triangle, it is made up of three lines. Triangle is made up of three lines. Alright, and it is always closed. That's why we call it a triangle. So now in this triangle, you can clearly see the lengths of all the sides. AB is of 3 cm, AC is of 4 cm, and BC is of 5 cm. And if we are asked to find the perimeter of this triangle, then what are we going to do here is we will add the lengths of all the sides of this triangle. So I have written here perimeter is equal to AB. Okay, this side, the length of this side AB, yes, plus BC this side, and AC this side. So we have to find the sum of the lengths of all the sides of this figure. Alright, so AB is 3 cm. So I'm going to write here AB as 3 cm plus BC is 5 cm and AC is 4 cm. Now we need to add these three lengths. So 3 plus 5 is 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So the perimeter of this triangle is 12 cm. This is how we find the perimeter of a triangle. Now next figure we have is rectangle. So you can clearly see the rectangle here. In this rectangle, length is of 7 cm and breadth is of 3 cm. And we all know that in rectangle, length will be equal to each other. Similarly, breadths, they will also be equal to each other. So, in order to find the perimeter of this rectangle, we have to add the lengths of all the sides of this rectangle. So we can clearly see here in this rectangle that there are two lengths and two breadths. So perimeter is equal to L. Okay, L plus L. So L stands for length and B stands for breadth. So L plus L, 2 times L, and B plus B, 2 times B, because in a rectangle there will be two lengths and two breadths. So now since there are two lengths, so I will write 2L plus 2 breadths, so it will be 2B. Now when we take 2 common, only L plus B will remain inside the bracket. So now to find the perimeter of this rectangle, 2 will remain as it is. Now open the bracket. What is the okay, so length is 7 cm plus breadth is 3 cm. Now this becomes, okay, so 2 open bracket and then 7 plus 3 is 10, right? 7 plus 3 is 10. So this will be 10. So now this is 2 multiplied with 10. So 2 tens are 20. So 20 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Or we can also get the perimeter of this rectangle by simply adding the lengths of all the sides. If you don't want to use the formula, you can simply add the length of all the sides of the rectangle. You will get the perimeter of this rectangle. So now let's do it. Okay, so this is 7 plus 3 is 10, and 10 plus 7 is 17, and 17 plus 3 is 20. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 20 centimeter. So by simply adding the lengths of all the sides of a rectangle, we will get the perimeter of a rectangle. Or if you want to use the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle, you can use this formula: twice length plus breadth. I think this is clear to you all. Now we have next figure, and this is square, and I hope you all have heard this term before. This is square. So in case of square, all four sides will be equal to each other. As you can see in this video, AB is of 5 centimeter, so as BC, CD and AD. So each side of this square is of 5 centimeter. Now if we are asked to find the perimeter of this square, we will have to add the lengths of all the sides of this square. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, and 15 plus 10 is 20. So 20 centimeter is the perimeter of this square. All right. Now if you want to use the formula, you can use this one. So perimeter of square is 4 times side. Why 4? Because there are 4 sides and all the sides will be equal to each other. That is why 4 times side. So this will be 4. This is 4 times, and side is of 5 centimeters, so it will be 5. So 4 5s are 20. So this is 20 centimeter. This is how we find the perimeter of triangle, rectangle and square. I hope you all have understood the meaning of perimeter and how to find the perimeter of a plane figure. Thank you.